What is Hardik Pandya wearing during this Champions Trophy? Is it for ball tampering? Usually, the wicketkeepers and the batsmen wear gloves to protect their hands from high velocity balls. But imagine if the fielders wear gloves too. Sounds weird, right? During fielding or bowling, the ball can come at you at a serious speed, which can lead to injury to the fingers or even fracture. So, to protect his fingers, Hardik Pandya is wearing half finger fielding gloves. These gloves enhance grip, provide strategic padding, and prevent finger injuries during fielding and catching. I suspect he might have had a finger injury, because of which the physio might have recommended him, but only he can answer the exact reason. What can you guys answer? Will India win today or not?